Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll cut through our thoughts by taking a conscious moment to pause. To begin, settle into a comfortable position where you can lengthen your spine with ease. Let your shoulders soften and settle. Relax your arms, resting your hands on your lap, and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, full breaths. Complete, cleansing inhales and exhales. And now allow the breath to settle into a comfortable rhythm of breath that feels natural for you. Let the breath move in and out of your nose, smoothing out your breath without forcing it, without manipulating it. Simply breathe, allowing the ebb and flow to settle into a natural rhythm. Take a few moments to become familiar with your breath, as though welcoming an old friend. Remember that it's natural for the mind to start to wander. Your thoughts might get stuck on something that came before this moment, or they might sweep you away to something that has yet to happen. As these distractions arise, notice them. And as soon as you become aware of your thoughts, take a moment to pause with awareness. For each thought, take a full breath, conscious breath, one deep breath in and one deep breath out. Every time you catch yourself feeling distracted, pause. It's as though you are hitting the reset button. Breathe all the way in. Breathe all the way out. And as you continue to breathe, watch as distractions continue to arise. With each thought that comes up now, create just a little more space by taking 2 full breaths around each thought. Deep inhale. Full exhale. And again, deep inhale. Complete exhale. And for the next few moments, make your pause even longer. For each thought that arises, take 3 whole breaths. After every distraction, these conscious breaths allow you to pause and start anew. 3 full inhales and 3 full exhales for each thought that arises. And now, let your attention soften. Our minds are constantly being pulled in one direction or another. Whether at home or at work, we're bombarded with things to do and people trying to get hold of us through texts, calls, emails, and more. And though we've become accustomed to this constant stream of distraction, it's important for our well-being to remember to pause and to create a little space. When we deliberately stop the stream of distraction and turn to our breath, we give ourselves permission to stop and reset. So the next time you catch yourself rushing or lost in thought, pause long enough to take 3 conscious breaths, as though wrapping your thoughts into the expanse of your inhales and exhales. Let it be a small moment in your busy day to clear your head and start fresh once more. Now take one more deep, full breath, slowly bringing yourself back into the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation served you well. See you again soon.